In this video we're going to show how to replace the light bulbs in our player boxes. If there's ever a need for a replacement, we will send you a replacement bulb that looks like this. They're just a couple of small bulbs. One is got a red bulb inside, and the other one's got a green bulb inside. And you can kind of tell, if you hold it up in the light, you can see that one is red and one is green. And it's essential that you use the correct color bulb underneath that particular colored lens. The video that I'm going to show you, we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace a bulb in a black player box, but it's equally applicable to the 10-player console and several of our other products. Okay, this bulb right here is giving us a problem. What we need to do, first off, we unscrew this cap, turn it counterclockwise just a few times to expose the light bulb. This is called a bayonet style. We're going to push down gently and then turn counterclockwise, and it's spring-loaded. Sometimes they're a little harder to get out. Sometimes they're a little bit sticky coming up, but just kind of grip the side of the bulb and then just lift the bulb out. Set the bad bulb aside. Now since this is green, take the green replacement bulb that we sent you. Line up the little pins with the little receptacles down inside. Push down, turn clockwise, and then wiggle it to make sure that it's nice and solid. And before we do anything else, let's make sure that it works. Works fine. Now we're going to take the lens and we're going to going counterclockwise, we'll just screw the plastic lens back on and we'll test it again. And that's how we replace the bulb.